Fare bella figura. Make a good impression. Be a sharp-dressed man. Hi, my name's Greg Story. I'm the president of Dale Carnegie Tokyo Training, and I run my own soft skills training business, franchise business here in Tokyo. Many years ago, I decided to dress for success. Each day I consult my schedule, and that day's work content drives my sartorial choices. Before I head out the door every day, I check myself in the mirror and ask, do I look like one of the most professional people in my industry? This day, I was co-teaching with our in-house trainer, Murakami-san, high-impact presentations, day one, for a Japanese client at their factory. Man, were those trains crowded in the morning getting to the client's factory. I needed to look professional, but I needed a white shirt because I was teaching. This is to deal with any body heating issues which may lead to perspiration, giving me a coloured shirt two-tone effect. When I teach or speak, I am pumping out so much energy. I do heat up, and so I have to be careful of the impact on what I am wearing. I also needed to choose a tie which would not compete with my face when I was teaching, so I went for a simple black and white check with a muted grey and white pocket square. So I chose a blue single-breasted Xenia Cool Effect suit. The Cool Effect fabric was a Xenia innovation designed to reflect heat and cool down the wearer. This suit has a subtle, large window pane pattern, notch lapels, flap pockets, side vents, double cuffs. Abelard 1922 white shirt with French cuffs, white mother-of-pearl cufflinks, Cusca, grey and white pocket square in my three-way fold, over the calf blue socks. I'm wearing my Dale Carnegie silver corporate badge and my Dale Carnegie corporate name badge for when I'm teaching. Black and white Emporio Armani check pattern tie with double Windsor knot, black and gold Montblanc pen, Lanvin business card holder, Longines S30 EFCO rectangular watch with a black dial and stainless steel bracelet, black high shine calfskin Fratelli Rossetti derby wingtip brogues shoes with 5 eyelets. Would the people who know you or meet you describe you as persuasive? Do you think you are persuasive enough? Persuasion power is the most important, but most commonly lacking skill in the business world. Do it yourself? Trial and error? Waste time and resources. Time to change things up and get that key skill. There is a perfect solution for you, and there are details about us in the attachments to this video.